I built a consulting business in my early 20s that generates thousands of dollars a day in profit, not revenue, profit. I'm going to give you 4 actual steps you can start implementing today. It's not theory I learned in a book, it's not some motivational fluff. These are 4 real steps that if you follow to the T, will get you to $10,000 a month. This is the exact process I used to have my first $10,000 a month ever. And it's the same process I'm still using to this day. Here's step 1. You need to pick one skill that businesses will actually pay for immediately. And this is where most people mess up right out of the gate. They try to learn 10 different things all at once. They want to be a social media manager and a web designer and a copywriter and a video editor. And you know what happens? They never get good at anything. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna pick one skill from this list. It could be lead generation, paid advertising, copywriting, sales, video editing, or social media management. That's it. Just pick one. And the way you pick is actually simple. Which one can you see yourself doing every day for the next 90 days without hating your life? Because that's what it's gonna take. 90 days of focused practice on one skill. Now here's why these skills specifically. Because businesses have these problems right now and they're willing to pay big money to solve them. Every business needs more customers. Every business needs content nowadays. Every business needs sales. So if you can help them to get customers through ads, if you can create content that actually converts leads and clients, if you can close sales for them, they won't pay you. And here's the key. You don't need to be the best in the world at this skill. You just need to be good enough to deliver results. So pick your skill right now. Don't overthink it. Just pick one and commit to it for the next 90 days. Watch every free video you can find on that skill. Practice it every single day. Do it for free for a friend's business if you have to. Just get the reps in. Because at the end of those 90 days, you should be good enough at this skill to start charging real money for it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Step 2 is where most people never even get started. You need to get your first clients, and this can happen usually in the first 3 to 8 weeks. I know what you're thinking. I'm not good enough yet, I don't have any experience, and I also don't have testimonials. None of that matters for your first clients. Here's what matters. Can you solve a problem they currently have? That's it. Or do you think that you can? That's all that matters. So here's exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna make a list of 200 to a couple thousand businesses that could use your skill. If you picked paid advertising, find businesses that aren't running ads or are running terrible ads. If you picked video editing, find content creators or businesses that post inconsistently or low quality content. If you picked social media management, find businesses with not so active social media accounts. Then you're gonna reach out to them. Not with some long pitch about how great you are, just with a simple message that says something like, "Hey, I noticed you're not running Facebook ads. I help businesses like yours get customers through paid advertising. Would you be open to a quick call to discuss if I can help you?" That's it. Send that message to as many businesses as possible. Some won't respond, some will say no, but a few will say yes, and all you need is one yes to get started. Now here's the key for the first client. You need to make it a no-brainer for them to work with you. Offer to do the first project for cheap. Offer results-based pricing, where they only pay if you hit certain metrics. Remove all the risk from their side, because right now you're not trying to make $10,000 from one client. You're trying to get proof that you can actually deliver results. I know this can be scary if you've never done it before, but it's easier than you think. That's what the first client is for. Having one or more case study clients with results will allow you to quickly and easily charge high prices and stand out from the sea of underqualified wannabe agency owners that pitch businesses all day long with the same spammy messages. Now, here's step 3, and this is where you separate yourself from everyone else who's trying to make $10,000 a month. You need to deliver absolutely insane results and document everything. When you get that first client, you need to treat them like they're paying you $10,000, even if they're only paying you $500. You need to over-deliver so much that they have no choice but to tell other people about you. Answer their messages immediately. Send them updates constantly. Go above and beyond what they expected. Because here's the thing that most people don't understand. Your first few clients are your marketing. If you do an amazing job for them, they're gonna refer you to other people. They're gonna give you testimonials. They're going to become case studies that you can use to sign bigger clients. But if you do a mediocre job because you're only getting paid a little, you're gonna stay stuck at that level forever. So deliver insane results. Do the best you can. And while you're doing that, document everything. Take screenshots of every metric. Track every result you generate. If you run ads for them, track how much you spent and how much revenue you generated. If you edit videos for them, track the view counts and engagement rates. If you manage their social media, track the follower growth and the engagement, because these numbers become your proof. These numbers are what allow you to charge more for your next client. Most people do the work, but they never track the results, and then they wonder why they can't raise their prices. Your results are your marketing. Your results are what will get you to $10,000 a month, so document everything. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Step 4 is how you actually scale from $3,000 a month to $10,000 a month. You need to increase your prices and improve your offer. And this is where most people stay stuck. They get to $3,000 or $4,000 a month, and then they plateau. They keep charging the same rates. They keep delivering the same services. And they wonder why they can't break through to $10,000 a month. Here's the thing you need to understand. Once you have proof that you can deliver results, you need to double your prices. If you were charging $1,000, start charging $2,000. If you were charging $500, start charging $1,000. And I know what you're thinking, but what if some people say no? Well, some will, and that's fine. No matter your pricing really, even if you sold it for $1, because the ones who say yes at your higher price are better clients anyway. They value your work more, they take your advice more seriously, they're easier to work with, so raise your prices. And if you're scared to do that, here's what you do. You add more value to your offer. Instead of just running ads, also optimize their landing page. Instead of just editing videos, also write the video scripts. Instead of just managing social media, also create a content strategy. Bundle more services together and charge more. Now, here's the other part of scaling to $10,000 per month. You need to focus on retention and upsells. Don't just work with a client for 1 month and then you move on. Get them on a 3-month retainer if you can, a 6-month retainer. Offer them additional services once you're already delivering results. If you have 5 clients paying you $2,000 a month each, that's $10,000 a month. That's the goal. So you don't need hundreds of clients. You need 5 to 10 really good clients who will pay you well and stick around. That's how you scale to $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 a month in recurring income. Now, there is an optional step that will take you beyond $10,000 a month. You need to start building systems so you're not trading all your time for money. Because here's what's going to happen when you hit $10,000 a month. You realize you're working 80 hours a week and you have no time for anything else. That's especially true if you sell services. If you sell consulting, it's different. So you need to start thinking about leverage. Can you hire someone else to deliver the service? Can you create templates and processes for the repetitive parts of your work? Can you automate anything? Can you use AI to do the work for you? Can you start productizing your service, turning it into a course or a consulting offer so it takes you a lot less time to deliver? This is how you go from $10,000 a month to $20,000 or $50,000, even $100,000. You stop doing everything yourself. You build systems. You create leverage. And yes, this is scary at first. Hiring someone means spending money. Building systems takes time. But if you want to actually grow beyond $10,000 a month, you have to do this. You can't scale a business where you're the only person doing everything. Look, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. Most people watching this video won't even complete step 1. They might feel a bit motivated after hearing me, and then they'll do nothing. They won't pick a skill. They won't reach out to businesses. They won't get their first clients. And then in 6 months, they'll be watching another video just like this one, still making the same amount of money, still wondering why nothing ever changes. But for that minority of ambitious individuals who's actually serious, ready to commit, if you follow these 4 steps as I laid them out, $10,000 a month is completely achievable. I've done it. I've helped dozens of other people to do it.